Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and especially in this case makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. Now sure, the price did indeed pull back, but still, even with that, when you consider where the price was going into today and then where it ultimately closed, the bulls still made nice progress in the upwards direction. Or if you want to look at it from a a technical pattern point of view, you can draw this line here, give or take, that's rough. But the key thing here is the bulls did get a nice quote-unquote pattern breakout. So that does lead to the valid logical question, is this breakout, does it have true power behind it? Is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some kind of knee-jerk reaction fake breakout? And I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, it makes answering this question very straightforward. And that key level that, in my opinion at least, makes answering this question very straightforward is right here at 75 cents. Why is 75 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that a breakout that is actually a true breakout is going to make progress forward, right? It's going to keep on breaking out. It's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction of a breakout. I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a breakout is a breakout, it's going to keep on making progress. It's not going to go back to where it started. So with that in mind, think about 75 cents. Any sort of closes below it, worse if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of the channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just say it pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to progress in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time, and in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 75 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the pink line right now, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. You can see that that's essentially right where it got rejected today. So going forward, from the big picture perspective, the pink line 200 period is public enemy number one. But no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now things transition into the question, can the bulls build upon the breakout that occurred today? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.